In this video, I'll be illustrating the process of deactivating your Facebook account. Please watch the entire video carefully to avoid any errors, and don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Additionally, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you everyone, and let's begin, shall we? To start, open the Facebook app, then proceed with the deactivation process. Firstly, access the menu by tapping on the gear icon to access your settings. Inside your account center, navigate to Add to Personal Details and then Account Ownership and Control. This is where you'll find the option for deactivation or deletion. Click on it and select whether you want to deactivate your Facebook or Instagram account. By default, the account deactivation option is selected. Please note that deactivating your account will also deactivate any additional Facebook profiles or pages where you are the sole admin or have full control. You can review the list of these pages and then click Continue. The next step will require you to enter your current Facebook password and select a reason from the provided list for why you want to deactivate your account. You can choose any reason and then click Add to Proceed. After that, click Continue again. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click Deactivate My Account. While your account is deactivated, it'll be invisible on Facebook, almost as if it were deleted. However, you can reactivate your account at any time by simply logging in with your username and password. That's how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Stay tuned for the next one.